How to turn off auto blocker in Samsung. So if you have a Samsung device and each time you want to install an APK files, it says auto blocker is enabled, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily disable the auto blocker on your Samsung device to be able to install application outside Samsung Store and Google Play Store. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn off auto blocker in Samsung, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Samsung settings app. Once you open the Samsung settings app, and scroll down the page until you get to security and privacy, then click on that. Once you selected security and privacy, scroll down the bottom of the page. Under biometrics, locate auto blocker and then click on it. Now once you selected auto blocker, you should see the auto blocker turned on here. Then you have under advanced message app protection and block software update by USB cable. Then go ahead and disable auto blocker or disable all of this first. And then after then, go ahead and tap turn off auto blocker. Once you click on the support that says auto blocker keep your phone safe by blocking threads and other suspicious activity. If you want to proceed, just go ahead and click on turn on. Then once you hit the turn on, but you see auto blocker turned off on your Samsung device, and then you are good to go. So that is basically how to turn off auto blocker in Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.